Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the show. Okay, trying to find out the name of this thing. All right, this is the GGMM, that's the company name, D6. True 360 speaker for the Echo Dot second generation. All right, so I got my Echo Dot here. Now I've done Echo Dot powered speaker reviews before, and this is where I think Amazon kind of messed up, but I think it did us as consumers a huge favor. They messed around, and not only, of course, you got to have some type of power supply, right? It's a USB power supply, which is great because it's very universal, but they also put that 3.5 millimeter auxiliary input there. So that's what made it possible for companies like GGMM to make speakers like this, because the Google Home or the Home Mini doesn't have this option. So with a $50 price point right here for the Echo Dot, and then most of these speakers are anywhere between, even if they were, well, yeah, they got to stop at about 50 to 60 bucks. And I think that's about the price of this bad boy. I'm not sure. Check the link in the description. You can have yourself an upgraded model of your Echo Dot, or you can just have your Echo Dots. So why would somebody opt for the original Echo, or, you know, a bigger Echo? I'm not sure. I wouldn't do it myself. That's why I have two Echo Dots. I really don't use them much anymore at all. I use Google Home, and Google Home Minis don't actually have this port right here. So that's a, you know, I'm gonna call it a design flaw for the consumer, because you can't do stuff like this with the Google Home Mini. But we have our Echo Dot here. Of course, you can see there are no wires attached to it, and this bad boy will not turn on or do jack until I plug it into this thing. So let's see what's up. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I don't have any fingernails, so hopefully, okay, it's coming off. Good. All right, so let's open up this thing. I can see the diagram here. Got some base radiators, got a downfire and speaker. I can't wait to get into this box. All right, we got a thank you card from the company, GGMM. I wonder what that stands for. I gotta figure that out, GGMM. And then we got some instructions, which I probably won't need. Let's just go ahead and put those off to the side for right now. Got some foam, and then I got some troll poison. Shout out to Floss Carter. Then we got, let's reach in here and grab the speaker. Anything else in there? Looks like a bunch of foam. Hey, I'm gonna put this box right here, because it's a nice box. I'm gonna go ahead and show it some respect. Let's put that right there. And then we will unravel. Ooh. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, so I actually ordered white. But this is nice. Yeah, I ordered white, and I did notice this when I first got it. I saw the box. I said, man, I ordered white. And I was thinking about sending it back, but now that I realize I have a black Echo Dot, and it's gonna look real nice in here, because I mean, man, this charcoal is really nice. I was not expecting this. Most of these things are straight up black, but I really like this kind of charcoal grayish black color. Not sending it back. Don't worry about that. This is staying. So let's go ahead and get in this thing. Okay, I see a little deal here. It says, okay, turn it to unlock. Okay, cool. So your dot doesn't even just stick in there like a lot of them do. You actually secure that thing, because once it's in there, this goes over the top and then locks it into place. That way, if it spills over, nothing's coming out of there. Then you have, oh, okay, so you got a springy wire, which is nice. Nothing that's too rigid, so where you can't manipulate it. And I like how both of these are actually connected, and it's lined up perfectly with your Echo Dot, and all right, your USB and 3.5 millimeter go in. You push it all the way in, lock it in, put this bad boy on top, this ring right here to secure it. Oops, I did something wrong. Uh-oh. Okay, what did I do? All right, put it back in there. Oh, did I mess it up? No, I didn't mess it up. Okay, so let's just make sure these, okay, there we go. And then we turn it. All right, it is in place. It ain't going nowhere. That's pretty awesome. All right, let's take a look around this thing. So you got this ring right here. Of course, you got your Echo Dot in there. On the bottom, it's kind of this rubberized material. Got some rubber there, so it won't slide across the table. But right here, you have your 3.5 millimeter in and your DC power supply in, which is a micro USB, and then also labeled right there. And that's it. Then you got your power right there. So let me go ahead and power this. I really like the way it looks. It's just the smoothest, simplest design. That, I mean, wow. Okay, and it's supposed to be 360 firing, so let's just, can we power it on? Let's hit the button. Any lights? Okay, there you got a blue light right there. I do not see, the Echo is powering on. You can see that blue blue ring right there. Let me go into the instructions real quick. Let's just check some stuff out as it powers up. Okay, very, very simple stuff. So basically it's in echo dot mode right now with this blue LED. If I tap it once, let me see if you can see that blue LED right there. If you tap it once, it turns green. And then now it's in auxiliary mode. So you can actually plug your phone straight into this thing, bypass the echo dot, and then you have just a wired speaker if you want to play it that way. Or you can press this button again, and then you go into the blue LED, and then should fire up the echo dot again. Unfortunately, it doesn't keep it powered up. It actually powers it down, and then you got to wait for it to boot up again. That's I would say that's a downside, but it's all good. Most of the time, if you got something like this, primarily you're gonna be playing it with the echo dot anyways. So it's nice to have that option, but I would probably just leave this on. It's powering up right now. But I'm really impressed with the design. As this thing warms up, I can't say enough about this design. I'm so glad they actually sent me black instead of the white one, which I actually did order. I wanted white because I always review black stuff, and black doesn't really, show up as far as contrast and stuff. But this looks so nice. It's not actually, well, the ring is black, the bottom and top are black, and this is more of a charcoal grayish black. Are you kidding me? The guy outside, he's cutting the grass right now. Like, why? When I'm shooting a video? Really? Okay, I think it's gone. Anyways, so the design is great. I love it, love it, love it. Now let's see how this thing sounds. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why can't you have an all-chicken football team? There'd be way too many fouls.
Oh my God. These jokes, they kill me. Okay, one more. Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do you call two ponies on a putting green? A horse and a horse on a golf course, of course.
Oh my God. Y'all remember that show? A horse and... Oh, never mind. Anyways, I just showed my age. Anyway, let's talk about music. So now you have your Echo Dot. It's portable, right? So who wants to just talk to this thing all day? You can take this outside to the pool. As long as you're within Wi-Fi range, you are good to go. But since you can have it on the move now, why not play some music? So let's, let me see. This thing is about halfway. Let's play some music. Alexa, play some Rick Ross.
I cut them wide, I cut them long, I cut them fat. I keep them coming back, we keep them coming back. I'm in the distribution, I'm like Atlantic. I got the...
Play You Should Be Dancing by the Bee Gees. Y'all don't know nothing about that. You don't, man, that's my jam right there.
You Should Be Dancing by Bee Gees.
Man, that is loud. Oh. Ooh. Okay, Alexa, stop. Okay. I told you, man, I listen to all types of music. And if you can't get down with the Bee Gees, you need to shut this channel off right now because we ain't friends no more. Anyways, I dig this speaker. I love the design. I like that it's fully enclosed in there and it's not coming out. I just really like the look. It looks like your average, no, not even your average. It almost has like a HomePod type of look from Apple, but it's just so simple, and I love the tone, the color tone, and the sound is great. It is literally 360 sound. The bass is present. It's not a heavy bass speaker. The sound is actually really balanced, so it's not heavy on the bass or heavy on the treble or anything. At mid volume, it sounds really good in the room. But if you want to fill up the room, you go ahead and crank this bad boy up, and you're not gonna hear any distortion or anything like that. And actually, it's actually pretty lightweight too. The other ones I've tested have been pretty heavy, but the other ones have been a lot bassier. This one has more of a balanced sound, but that could be due to the drivers in here. But man, this is probably my favorite one. I'm really attached to this one. This is probably gonna have me using my Amazon Echo Dot again outside. Maybe I'll just, man, I don't know. I gotta find a use for this thing, man. This is awesome. I really, really like it. So yeah, I say if you looking to put some legs on your Amazon Echo Dot and give Alexa some legs, you go ahead and get this GGMM D6. Let me show it some respect. Has this thing been backwards the whole time, really? Let me show this box of respect, man. The GGMM D6 True 360 wireless speaker for your Echo Dot, man. This is nice. I dig it. Alexa, play.